Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing Bangda Masala fry, which is a popular delicacy made with the Indian mackerel fish. It is usually served hot as an appetizer because its meat, which is soft and juicy inside, has strong flavors, and its skin has a crisp outer coating. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. Method: clean and scale the mackerels, then wash them well and make deep cuts on both sides. Sprinkle the salt over the mackerels and rub well all over the outside and the inside of the fish. Add all the marination ingredients into a mixing bowl. That's the chilli powder, pepper powder, turmeric powder, coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, oil, curry leaves, chopped green coriander, cornstarch, and the rice flour. Mix well to form a thick marinade paste. At this point, taste and add salt and lemon juice to adjust the taste to your liking. Then apply the thick marinade paste over the top of the fish, and using your fingers rub the paste into the slashes and smear it into the cavity. Repeat the same process for the remaining fish and then set aside to marinate for 1 to 2 hours, the longer the better. Having finished with the marination stage, we are now moving on to the frying stage. So heat oil in a large frying pan and then carefully drop in the mackerel into the hot oil and fry on medium heat. Fry well on both sides until it's golden brown. Then remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Repeat the same process for the remaining mackerels. Take care while flipping the fish over, taking care not to damage the crisp outer coating of the skin. Take care also not to burn the fish. Then remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Finally, garnish with fried green chilies or fried curry leaves, and serve hot as an appetizer with lemon wedges and sliced onions. So there you have it, delicious and nice tasting Bangda Masala fry fish. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.